Good morning.
Good morning from Manchester Airport.
Terminal 2.
We are heading today on the best airline in the world to Singapore.
Hopefully they have some good food, some good movies, and we'll let you know how it is. It's a 13-hour flight, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it is very exciting. This is the best airline in the world, so it better be good.
Let's go. All the departure things were on one floor, except the one for Singapore Air is on the floor below. So, yay. Check-in was pretty smooth, except Rhys was meant to ask for an upgrade and he chickened out.
Economy. Oh, I didn't even see.
And, by the way, we're going for 3 months. I'm only taking carry-on. All in the cabin.
She's very impressive.
Smile with your breakfast.
What do you go for?
Actually, yeah.
How is it?
Oh, Rhys, you put the strap.
I may have just put the camera strap in the ketchup, and now I'm in Meg's bag books. I'm in Meg's bag books. I put the strap in the ketchup. Disclaimer.
Mistakes are fine.
Mistakes are fine. Oh, that's really kind of you, Meg. Get a Meg. We just got our gate. We're going to gate A6 in Manchester Terminal 2. What do you think of Manchester Terminal 2? I'm not sure about it. Some of it looks a bit fancy, some of it's a bit run down. We'll see.
We have seen.
Yeah, I didn't like it. The reason I was a bit awkward in that clip was because that dude there was looking at me the whole time, so I felt a bit uneasy. But Manchester Terminal 2, it isn't that bad. There's a few things. There's quite a lot of things here. There's a few restaurants, and we had a nice breakfast. So it's not the worst. We definitely had a worse experience last time we came to Manchester.
We are at the gate.
We are. There's our plane.
There's our plane.
There she is.
This flight has actually come from Houston and is currently doing a layover in Manchester.
Yeah.
So we're getting on halfway through.
We are. Should be a nice flight though.
Should be good.
We tried to get, well no, we didn't try and get an upgrade.
No, we didn't. I already told them you chickened out.
I did chicken out, sorry. But economy should be nice. It's supposed to be nice. We get 2 meals, snacks,
This is what's
drinks,
not fair,
everything.
is we've never flown first class or business class
no.
or premium economy in our lives. And Rhys' sister, first flight, she goes on with her boyfriend, and they got upgraded.
Because he's in the flipping Navy.
All remaining passengers to go immediately to gate A1.
How fancy is this?
We have our seats.
Do you think this looks nice?
It looks really nice.
Look at the seats, lovely.
The other seat on our row is free, so Rhys is gonna move down one, so then we can spread out. Off he goes. He's just checking the TV once. We have a tray, a cup holder, our remote, our TV, and then a load of pockets, a little spare seat, and there's Rhys.
You can get alcohol, soft drinks, water, anything you want. All complimentary. in.
1 hour in.
One snack down, one drink down.
And they've confirmed a gluten-free meal.
Better than Avianca so far. Do you know what you're getting for your meal?
No. Isn't yours a choice of chicken or fish?
I don't know what mine
I can't
is.
remember. We checked the menu for you last week.
And now I can't remember. I'm sure it'll be lovely.
I had a 45-minute nap already.
She gets around, this girl.
It gets around.
So how did you pick your gluten-free meal?
On the app, I just clicked on my name and then it said meal selection. And I clicked gluten-free.
There you go, so you can select different meal options if you're like allergic to different things, which is great. Very easy to use. And they're very on it. It's like, there's a stewardess, I don't know what you call it.
There's a specific stewardess for all the dietary requirements.
That's brilliant. It's really good. And the flight entertainment system is so good. There's so many different things. Even got live TV as well. There's so many different films.
Like this.
Like all new ones.
Let's see. Look, ready?
And that's just the categories. Not
Yeah,
even
those are the
actual
categories,
films.
not the actual films. It took me like 20 minutes to scroll through the films, which I know is not adding up. An hour on the flight, 45-minute nap, currently watching a film, took me 20 minutes, but you know what I mean.
Just likes to exaggerate. But there's also three babies in our row, in our cabin, and they've got like extra leg room because they all get like a little bassinet that they can sit in. It's so cute.
It's adorable. They do have that on every airline.
Do that? Never seen it before. It's very cute. It's just because you've flown with some fancy airlines. I'm a Ryanair boy.
My gluten-free meal has arrived. I've got my hot main. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. A bread roll, an oat cake,
Oat cake, lovely.
and a pot of fruit. So
That's
very
nice.
exciting.
Nice little lunch.
Yeah, I'll show you what
Ooh, nice. Looks like a curry.
it is. Chicken. I think that's sweet potato. Sweet potato and veg.
Looks quite
I'll
nice.
tell you one thing. I'm a little bit disappointed because I like it when you fly. I love the Asian airplane food. This is like a British dish, and I just can't get enough of the Asian airplane food.
Yeah, hopefully on the next one.
Yeah.
It's all Asian inspired, so you have to give it a taste test in a minute.
It's too.
What have you got, Meg?
Nice little knife and fork with a Singapore Airlines thing on it.
You love those, don't you?
I do.
You're gonna steal them. Oh, it has all the contaminants in it as well.
Nice. What did you get?
Beef with oyster sauce.
Oh, with rice. I'm so jealous.
Oh.
And a bread roll.
With crackers, some cheese. I'll have to have some of your...
You got lure pack, that's not fair. Okay, I'm in the loo. I'll give you a little tour. Boom, boom. This is me. Ta-da, your lovely loo. And then another mirror. The amount of people on this flight that push in all the time is really getting on my nerves. I haven't queued for anything today without someone pushing in, and frankly, I'm sick of it. We've been traveling for 7 hours and we've just been given another meal. So let's check it out.
It is nearly 13 hours later. We're just about to land. Meg is a bit sleepy.
My headphones are nice because I can't hear anything.
Can't hear a thing. She's doing really well.
Elvis, darling, and
I did sleep for 4 hours.
What did you watch after Titanic?
That's what I want. I slept for 4 hours. Never mind. Well, we'll see what the airport's.
I can't even hear you. What did you say? What did you say? We have landed in Singapore. You can already feel the heat.
You can
in
indeed,
the air
and you can
tunnel.
smell it as well.
But look at the weather.
It is raining. It's exactly how Costa Rica was, wasn't it? As soon as we arrived, rain.
It was sunny and raining though. This is just
Yeah,
cloud.
no, this is cloud and rain.
Anyway, good flight. We'll give them a rundown on it in a minute.
Yeah.
But we'll just now go through
Immigration.
Yeah, let's go.
See you in a minute.
To get into Singapore, you need a SG arrival card. We completed them online, but if you didn't, you can just queue over there and complete them whilst you're here. Is it for COVID?
It's just
What's
like
it for?
it's like where you'll be staying, and if you've got a cough or anything, then you just have to declare it.
COVID type.
Yeah, it's just like an arrival card. You normally have to do it for different countries nowadays, don't you? After
Yeah.
COVID, so.
Anyway, we're just queuing to get through immigration. Well, we've just freshened up and we're getting ready to film the next video, so we're just gonna review our flight. How was the comfortableness of the flight?
I think it was probably about an 8 out of 10. I think it was pretty comfy. Also, we had a middle seat sort of free, so it was so nice. We could lie across each other and just, you know, it was good. It was a nice comfort level, nice pillow. I quite liked it.
How was the food?
Had pretty good food. I'd say probably a 7 out of 10.
How were the films?
10 out of 10. I think they had the best choice of films I've seen.
Overall flight experience?
8 out of 10.
No,
Well
you
done,
did
Singapore
for me.
Airlines. Comfortableness, what would you rate it?
Really comfortable because of Rhys, and Rhys is my pillow. So yeah, I'd rate it an 8.
Food?
I would rate it a 5 because for allergies they just give you like a completely allergen-free meal, which isn't very hasn't got much taste to it, and also other airlines don't do that. Emirates give you nice meals, and alongside that they wouldn't let me have normal butter even though it was a gluten-free meal, so I had like this horrible tasteless oil, and Rhys got Lurpak and he wouldn't share. So that was sad. And then also they came around and gave out ice cream which was gluten-free, and they wouldn't let me have any, which I thought was just rude.
Film choice?
Film choice was good. I'd rate it a 9.
Overall experience?
Overall experience, you know, the way to me is through my stomach.
So it's low.
Overall experience, is it the best airline I've ever been on as the best airline in the world? It's not the best airline I've ever been on, no, I can't say it is.
Thank you very much everyone for watching our video, our 13-hour travel day.
On the best airline in the world.
Was it the best? Comment down below. Right, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
See you next time.